Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Fortem Car Trunk Organizer, Collapsible Multi-Compartment Sub-Organizer, Foldable Storage for Car Accessories for Women Men, 600D Oxford, Non-Slip Bottom, Securing Straps, Soft Cover, 65L, Sturdy Box Design, Fortem Premium Trunk Storage Organizer for cars reinforced with rigid base plates to support every side panel. Among car organizers in storage, ours will leave less mess to worry about with multiple side pockets and up to 3 compartments. Stays in place. Our car trunk storage organizer has non-slip strips to prevent sliding and adjustable straps to secure to your trunk. Store small items in the tight mesh siding or pockets with lids. You can even connect 2 or more car organizers with interlocking buckles. Multifunctional, Fortem Trunk Organizers and storage make car organization easy and simple. Organize a variety of products from groceries to office supplies, accessories, handbags, shoes, or toys for kids. Consolidate the mess in your trunk and make room for your cooler or camp gear. Collapsible with removable lid, you can move trunk storage to the back seat, front seat, or center of your vehicle since it is collapsible to one compartment. Thanks for watching and subscribe.